Hello, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. Today we're doing something a little different. We're doing a beet salad, and believe it or not, even though it's not commonly talked about as much as other habesha dishes, beets are much more common than one might think. I know I certainly grew up on it back home, so we're going to show you how we put it together. And the beautiful thing about beets is they tend to be on the sweeter side, so it creates a great balance with the dressing that tends to be more on the bitter side. So you're going to love that balance that it creates. So I hope you enjoy, and as always, tell a friend to tell a friend, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.